In this lesson, we're going to cover one of the most important steps, choosing the right tools and products. Having the right setup makes your installation smoother, cleaner, and more secure. Before you start, make sure you have everything ready. Here's your must-have list for home installations. Adhesive, tape, or liquid glue, your bonding method, will help you decide in that next section. Adhesive remover and solvent, this is essential for safe, clean removals. Scalp protector, which shields your skin and helps the adhesive last longer. A marking pencil to outline your placement area accurately. Clips to hold your hair in place while working. Scissors, and make sure they're sharp so it's precise, ideally a professional grade. A mannequin head, perfect for prepping and positioning your system before applying. A 2-mirror setup, a must for seeing the back and sides clearly. If you want to save time and skip the guesswork, we've made it even easier. Our DIY starter kits include all these essentials and are available on our website. Each kit is curated for beginners and matches the exact products we use in professional installations. This choice depends on your lifestyle, comfort, level, and skin type. Tapes are clean, fast, and beginner-friendly. They're ideal if you prefer easy weekly maintenance. Liquid adhesive, also known as glue, gives a more natural invisible hairline and longer hold. It is great if you want to go 2 to 4 weeks between installs. Many users start with tape to learn the basics and switch to liquid glue later when they're comfortable with the process. However, it is important to check if your hair system is compatible with tape or glue. For example, ultra-thin skin systems are not compatible with tape because the base can easily rip during the cleaning process. Solvents are what you use to safely take off your hair system and clean away the adhesive. The good news, the same solvent works for both tapes and liquid glues. You just choose the style you prefer. Now, here's how to explain it. Solvents usually come as an oily liquid spray that breaks down both tape and glue. Some are citrus scented or marked as citrus solvents, but they still work on both types of adhesives. Others are faster evaporating, often with alcohol in them, which feel drier on the skin and leave less residue. The most used solvents are C22, citrus and oil-based, and KP Pro oil-free and alcohol-free. Small details make a significant difference. A scalp protector reduces irritation and prevents adhesive breakdown from sweat or oil. A marking pencil helps outline exactly where the system should sit, no crooked installs. Clips and a 2-mirror setup give you control and visibility during every step. A mannequin head is excellent for practicing placement and trimming your system before wearing it. And here's a quick recap. Having the right tools is half the battle in a perfect installation. Whether you're going fully DIY or getting started with our pre-assembled kits, you'll feel more confident knowing you have exactly what the pros use. Visit our website to check out the DIY hair system starter kits, which include everything mentioned today. It's perfectly matched, tested, and delivered right to your door.